experiment 4B, magnetic field. The learning outcome or the objective is to find the value of the horizontal component of the Earth magnetic field. Right, so this is all the apparatus that we need. Okay, so we have here vernier calipers, connecting wires, power supply, new one, so be careful. Switch, ammeter, rheostat, and this is Earth magnetic field measurement kit, right? So we have compass here, and this is the coil, right? So now we move to the demonstration on how to carry out the experiment.
Okay, so we have the power supply here, which the volts is 2 volt. The positive part is connected to the switch, and then connected to the ammeter at the 1 ampere, and then the negative part is connected to the rheostat, and then from the rheostat it goes to the coil with the magnetic here, and then connected again to the power supply with the negative part. Make sure for the coil here, the magnetic needle here is towards the zero angle, towards the north. 3. Okay, so make sure this right pointer, the needle of the compass show at 0 when the power supply is turned off. 2, 3. Alright, okay, now we switch on the power supply. Okay, and then look at the ammeter. Okay, so there is no change for the ammeter yet. So to make our changes for the current, so we adjust for the rheostat. Okay, so if the rheostat is adjusted to the minimum value, so the current will be maximum. Okay, so we have to determine from the current reading the maximum of its value, and also the minimum value for the current. Okay, the reason why we have to find the minimum and the maximum value of the current is to find the 8 readings for the current. Okay, after we have determined the value of the current, so let's say for this experiment, the smallest value for the current is 0.04. So after we have take the value of the current by adjusting the rheostat, so we take the value for the theta, the angle theta from the deflection of the needle. So from this compass reading, we can have the value of the theta, which is approximately 24 degree. Next, adjust the rheostat so that we have the second reading of the current. Okay, so for this experiment, we have decided the value for the second current is 0.08. After that, refer to the compass reading. So this will be the second value of our theta, which is approximately 48 degree. The next, adjust again the rheostat to get the third, fourth, and until 9th reading for the current, and also find the deflection of the theta. Okay.
Make sure less than 80 degree.
And also make sure it is less than 80 degree. Okay. For the second part, which is we have to change the polarity of the power supply. Okay, so exchange for the positive and negative wire for the power supply, and also we have to change the polarity of the wire for the ammeter. Okay, next we will repeat with the same procedure. As as what we have done earlier, which is make sure that the needle is at the 0 angle before we turn on the power supply, and then also find the maximum and minimum value of the current to get the range of the values.